To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. There are two clips securing the cowling panel. Rotate the locking clips counterclockwise to unlock them. Remove the cowling panel. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing. Install your new AQ1246 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. There are rails in the tray that the end folds of the filter need to be behind in order to be secure. Reinstall the housing. Reinstall the cowling panel. Rotate and lock the securing pins. Close the hood.